In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Garmin R10 to GS Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. For you to set up and connect your Garmin R10 to your PC and use it within GS Pro, you will need Bluetooth. So for this approach, your PC needs to have access to Bluetooth. If it doesn't have Bluetooth natively, then you will be able to purchase a specific USB adapter that allows Bluetooth to be used in conjunction with your PC. So to start, make sure that if you are already a subscriber to GS Pro and are switching to the Garmin R10, you will need to convert your existing license. So go over to gsprogolf.com/convert.html. In there, you will be able to choose the Garmin R10 and switch the license. With this done, it is recommended that you force GS Pro to re-download the latest version to make sure that you have the most up-to-date version that supports the Garmin R10, so download the latest launcher if needed. If you are a new user, you will be able to navigate to the GS Pro website, choose Buy, and select Garmin R10 from the list. Now, to actually set it up, before starting GS Pro, connect your Garmin R10 to your PC's Bluetooth. So go over to the Bluetooth devices, make sure that it is enabled, and look for nearby devices. In the Garmin R10, you will be able to press down the physical button to put it into pairing mode, and once it is properly put into pairing mode, you can choose it from the list of available devices under Bluetooth on your PC. Now start GS Pro, double-click the GS Pro launcher, and in there you will be able to select Garmin R10. So as long as you choose it properly from the convert list or you purchase it with the support, you will be able to select the device from the list, and now you can enjoy GS Pro with Garmin R10. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Garmin R10 to GS Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.